Hey guys, Todd Miller here with Doo Doo Squad. We're here with one of our technicians today, meeting Robert, and we're gonna scoop some doo-doo. Let's go check it out. And one of the important things is always make sure your dog stays safe. So you'll see our technician Robert here when we enter. We always keep the bucket in front to make sure those little guys never get out and they stay safe, secure while we close the gate. Tyson. Hey. It's another yard cleaned up, one less yard to worry about.
We'll scoop your doggy's poop, 916 dog poop.